Hi, my name is Curtis Morrison with Red Eagle Law. This video is about a group lawsuit opportunity for families of family preference category visa applicants to challenge the legality of President Trump's June 4th, 2025 travel ban, which became effective on June 9th, 2025. The deadline to participate in the lawsuit will be October 10th, 2025. We will file the lawsuit on or before Friday, October 17th, 2025. So to participate in this lawsuit, the family preference category primary visa applicant, which is either F1, F2A, F2B, F3, or F4 in the family must, three requirements, have a priority date that is current in Chart A of the October Visa Bulletin. 2, have completed and submitted their DS-260. It's okay if they've already gone to interview. It's not required. 3, be a national of a travel ban impacted country. Okay, so let's talk about the cost to participate. The attorney fee to participate as plaintiffs in this group lawsuit will be $1,000 for each family preference category primary visa applicant. This includes the cost of participation of all derivative beneficiaries, regardless of the family size. Okay, so let's do some important disclosures. We are pursuing this group lawsuit because we believe in your right to a fair outcome. We will fight hard to advocate for you, but also we want to be transparent. While we are hopeful and committed, we cannot promise success. Litigation carries uncertainty, and court decisions are ultimately beyond our control. We ask that all participants join with hope, but also with realistic expectations about what legal action can and cannot achieve. Additionally, it is important for participants to understand that litigation takes time. It would not be realistic to expect the lawsuit to have a positive outcome within the first few months. Very often, lawsuits challenging government policies take a year or even longer to achieve the stage where plaintiffs see the final outcome. The attorney fee is due in advance of the representation. Deferred payments, installment payments, or payment plans will not be offered with this group lawsuit. Onboarding for this group lawsuit will be done online from our website. Visit the link below for more information. Thank you for your time in watching this video.